Hey, you. Yeah, you. Scrolling through YouTube. Probably bored at work, am I right? Ever feel like your soul is being slowly crushed under fluorescent lights? Like your creativity is dying a slow, painful death in a cubicle farm? You're dreaming of freedom, aren't you? Freedom to travel, to pursue your passions, to binge watch that show everyone's talking about without feeling guilty. Well, guess what? You're not alone. The 9 to 5 grind isn't for everyone, and the good news is, it doesn't have to be your forever. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about real, sustainable ways to make money online, build your own empire, and kiss your boss goodbye. Think about it. No more alarm clocks, no more office drama, just you, your laptop, and the sweet, sweet taste of freedom. So buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. We're talking 10 proven ways to escape the 9 to 5, build your dream life, and become your own girl boss. Let's do this. All right, first up, let's talk freelancing. We all have skills, right? Maybe you're a word wizard, a design diva, or a coding ninja. Whatever your superpower, freelancing lets you turn it into cold, hard cash, all while working from your couch in your pajamas. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are like giant virtual marketplaces where you can showcase your skills to the world. Create a killer profile, highlight your awesomeness, and start bidding on projects that light your fire. Remember, every project you rock builds your reputation and lets you charge more. It's like leveling up in a video game, except you get paid real money. Freelancing gives you the flexibility to be your own boss, set your own hours, and say bye-bye to rush hour traffic jams. But here's the pro tip. Don't quit your day job just yet. Start freelancing on the side, build your client base, and once your side hustle income outshines your 9 to 5 paycheck, you can confidently take the leap into full-time freedom. Next up is the OG online hustle blogging. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Isn't blogging dead? Nope, not even close. If you're passionate about something, travel, fashion, food, underwater basket weaving, you can make bank by sharing your knowledge with the world. Think of your blog as your online kingdom. You get to be the queen or king of your content, attracting loyal subjects, aka readers, who are hungry for your insights. But here's the best part. You can monetize that passion. Affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, ads. There are so many ways to turn your blog into a cash cow. Imagine getting paid to write about things you love, working from exotic locations, and watching your bank account grow while you sip margaritas on the beach. That's the power of blogging. Pro tip. Building a successful blog takes time and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you're not seeing results overnight. Be patient, be consistent, and watch your little corner of the internet blossom into a thriving online business. And hey, if you need a little help with design, check out Podia. It's like magic for making your blog look amazing. What's up, hustlers? It's your girl, Superwoman, back with another way to conquer the world. Of online income, that is. Chapter 4 is all about my personal fave, affiliate marketing. It's like having your own little money-making minions working for you 24/7. You're basically like a cool influencer, recommending products you actually love to your people. And you get actual cash money when they buy it through your special link. Cha-ching! Find those affiliate programs that resonate with your vibe and your audience. Stick to what you know and what you genuinely believe in. Be real, be authentic, and watch those commissions roll in, baby. All right, unicorns, let's talk about that brain power of yours because guess what? It's worth some serious bank. Chapter 5 is all about building your own online empire through courses. Did someone say professor, your name, with a side of passive income? Yes, please. This is your chance to unleash your inner expert on the world. Are you a master chef in the kitchen? A coding whiz? a makeup guru who can transform a face faster than you can say contour. Whatever your superpower, package it up into a killer online course and watch the students and the dollars roll in. Now, before you freak out about needing a fancy film crew and a classroom bigger than your apartment, chill. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy are here to make your life easier than ever. They handle all the tech stuff so you can focus on what you do best, dropping that knowledge bomb. And the best part? Once your course is out there, it's like having your own little educational army working for you around the clock. People learn, you earn, everybody wins. Plus, you get to connect with a community of awesome individuals who are eager to learn from the best. That's you, boo. All right, my fellow entrepreneurs, let's talk about a hustle that's perfect for those of us who value our sleep and our sanity. Dropshipping. Imagine this. You're chilling in your PJs, sipping on some chai tea, and suddenly you made a sale. But here's the best part. You don't have to lift a finger to pack or ship anything. With dropshipping, your supplier handles all the logistics, while you kick back and watch the profits roll in. What's up, hustlers? It's your girl Leela, back at it again with another money-making method that's about to rock your world. Print on demand, aka POD, aka the reason why you'll be saying, "Bye, Felicia." Seriously though, this is perfect for all my creative unicorns out there. Imagine this. You design a hilarious t-shirt with a unicorn eating pizza and the caption, "Donut kill my vibe." And bam, people are throwing their money at you to get their hands on it. That's pod, fam. You create the designs, and companies like Printful or Printify handle the printing, shipping, and even the customer service. You literally just upload your design, choose your products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. Set your prices, and boom, you're in business. It's like having your own online store without the headache of dealing with inventory, shipping labels, or late-night trips to the post office. Plus, you get to unleash your inner fashionista or comedic genius on the world. Think about it. Your designs could be on t-shirts worn by people all over the globe. That's some serious #bossbabe vibes right there. So, channel your inner artist, brainstorm some killer designs, and get ready to conquer the world, one hilarious t-shirt at a time. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your girl, Leela. And let's be real, who hasn't dreamt of becoming a YouTube sensation? Like, imagine chilling in your pajamas, making people laugh, or cry depending on your content, and raking in those sweet, sweet YouTube dollars. Well, guess what? It's not as far-fetched as you might think. YouTube has become a legitimate career path for those with a passion for creating engaging video content. Whether you're a natural comedian, a makeup guru, a gaming pro, or a tech whiz, there's an audience out there just waiting to hit that subscribe button. But here's the tea. It's not just about uploading random videos and hoping for the best. You've got to bring your A-game, fam. Consistency is key. Think of it like your favorite Netflix show. You keep coming back for more because you know there's going to be a new episode every week. So, find your niche, create high-quality content, be consistent with your uploads, and engage with your viewers. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be accepting that diamond play button with millions of subscribers cheering you on. Hey there, my fellow go-getters. It's your girl, Lila, back with another exciting way to ditch that soul-sucking 9-to-5 and become your own boss. Ever heard of a virtual assistant? No, it's not some futuristic robot that does your bidding, though that would be pretty cool. A virtual assistant, or VA, is like a superhero sidekick for entrepreneurs and businesses. Except instead of fighting crime, you're conquering emails, scheduling meetings, and managing social media like a boss. If you're organized, efficient, and have a knack for getting things done, then being a VA might be your calling. The best part? You can work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Picture this. You're sipping coconut water on a beach in Bali while managing your clients' social media accounts. Sounds pretty good, right? and the earning potential is no joke. As you gain experience and build your clientele, you can charge higher rates and even niche down to specialize in specific areas like social media management, email marketing, or customer service. So, ditch the cubicle, embrace the flexibility, and become the ultimate VA extraordinaire. Okay, unicorns, let's talk social media. We're not just scrolling and double tapping anymore. We're talking about turning those likes into a legit career. Yep, managing social media for businesses is booming. Think about it. Every brand, every influencer, every business owner wants to be on top of their social media game. But let's be real, ain't nobody got time for that. That's where you come in, my friend. You become the social media ninja, the engagement expert, the hashtag queen or king. You'll be crafting killer captions, scheduling posts, running ads. Basically, you're the mastermind behind the screen, making sure your clients are killing it online. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere. Beach in Bali, cozy cafe in Paris. The world is your office. So if you're a natural storyteller, trendsetter, and you practically breathe social media, this might be your calling. Time to turn those scrolling skills into dollar bills. Yo, picture this. You're chilling on vacation, snapping those Insta-worthy shots, and boom. Those pics aren't just for likes anymore. They're making you bank. That's the power of stock photography, my friends. If you've got an eye for a good shot and a camera roll full of stunning photos, why not turn those pixels into profit? Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, they're always hungry for high-quality images. Think about it. Businesses need images for websites. Bloggers need visuals for their posts. Even your grandma needs a cute pic for her cat meme page. The demand is huge. You upload your photos, set your price, and watch the passive income roll in. Remember, consistency is key. The more photos you upload, the more chances you have to get downloaded. So grab your camera, find your niche, whether it's travel, food, or even those artsy coffee cup shots, and start building your online portfolio. All right, my hustlers, we've reached the end of our online money-making marathon. We've explored freelancing, blogging, YouTube, dropshipping, and so much more. Now it's time to take action. Remember, ditching the 9-to-5 is a journey, not a sprint. It takes guts, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. Start small, maybe with a side hustle, and gradually build your online empire. Don't be afraid to experiment, to fail, and to learn from those experiences. The online world is constantly changing, so stay curious, keep learning, and never stop growing. Most importantly, believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. So go out there, chase those dreams, and show the world what you're made of. Remember, unicorns, the world is your oyster. Now go out there and make some pearly income.